Dhanurasana, the bow pose. To perform Dhanurasana, lie on your stomach with your feet apart, in line with your hips and your arms by the side of your body. Fold your knees, take your hands backwards and hold your ankles. Breathe in and lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up towards the back. Look straight ahead and don't forget to keep that smile on your face. Do not overdo the stretch. After 15 to 20 seconds, as you exhale, gently bring your legs and chest to the ground. Release the ankles and relax. A few of many benefits of Dhanurasana are that it balances the hormones, removes belly fat, and is excellent for posture and spine.